Hi, welcome to our quick talk about tropical storms and tropical depressions.
Tropical storms and depressions form in warm waters near the equator, more specifically between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. They form over low pressure areas with thunderstorms.
Wind speeds determine whether a storm is just a storm, depression, or hurricane. In order to become a storm, depressions have to flow in a cyclone pattern.
Tropical depressions have wind speeds of 39 miles an hour or lower. Tropical storms have wind speeds between 39 and 73 miles an hour. And hurricanes have wind speeds of over 74 miles an hour. In other words, depressions are the least severe, and storms are the more severe, and hurricanes have the highest wind speeds.
Show wind speed level.
This is backwards. Enjoy it. You can't read it. Enjoy. Alright, sweet.
In case you're wondering, there is a difference between hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones, which is the location in which they form. Hurricanes develop over the East Pacific and Atlantic, typhoons develop over the Northwestern Pacific, and cyclones develop over the Bay of Bengal or the Northern Indian Ocean. That is the only difference between the three.
There's a lot of effects that these have on the weather. For example, if there's an increase of, because there can be an increase of wind, flooding, and landslides.
The slower the storm, the more rain and wind. Also, hurricanes form the closest, then tropical storms, and then tropical depressions.
In conclusion, tropical depressions and storms are the beginning of a hurricane. Thank you for watching our video.
Okay, we're gonna edit that out. Alright. Wind speeds determine whether it's more rain and wind. Also, hurricanes form the closet.
That's so close. I flip this.